Now say you come across a portrait with a really cool style, something you actually want to recreate. Just upload that image into Gemini and type this prompt. You'll get a full JSON breakdown of that image with lighting, composition, color palette, lens details, focus, even post-processing. Now upload your own photos. Try adding 2 to 3 images from different angles so it understands your face properly. Then give it a simple instruction to recreate a person using that same JSON. Now go to Tools, select Create Image, and generate it. You can see it's following the exact same studio portrait style as the original image. The lighting is still soft and controlled, coming from one side, the background has that same clean gradient, and even the pose and framing feel almost identical. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step process to edit images using JSON prompts. Follow the resources in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.